DJM TV.
We have received an acknowledgement from Mr. Hawkins. He thanked us for our letter and told us that our letter has been passed to the editorial team. But this is without prejudice to whatever decisions the federal government decides to take on the matter, because we won't sit by and allow CNN or any news organization to throw the country to another war based on fake news. And that's why we demand an investigation. Secondly, we did warn also in our press conference of Thursday that governments all over the world who have taken hasty decisions about Nigeria on this issue based on fake news like the CNN report should please seek for the truth. You see, fake news, we've been saying it here and everywhere, that the next world war might be fought based on fake news. And the decision of government, the issue of the UK Parliament resolution, well, we are not panicking at all as a government for two reasons. Number one, the resolution of Parliament of the UK is not the position of the UK government. Secondly, I believe that no serious government would take a decision such as imposing sanction on a country based on fake news without thorough investigation. And this is why we are warning all the foreign countries to beware. They should seek the truth. They should seek for the truth of this matter. Fake news led to the death of 800,000 people in Rwanda in 1994. And fake news today is even much more dangerous because in 1994 there was no social media. The entire NSAS tragedy was fueled by fake news, and of course, and again, another thing we have against CNN is that, look, how come that CNN, in its entire 1 month long investigation, did not even report that 37 policemen were killed, 6 soldiers were killed, 134 police stations were burned down, 164 police vehicles were burned down, 83 government houses were looted. You see, the whole story was unbalanced, was unfair, was irresponsible. And it was as if it was an intent to set Nigerian people against themselves. And this is our position. And honestly, our appeal to all foreign governments is that they have the missions here. There's the federal government, and should please check for the truth of this matter before they take any hasty decision. Well, I think only Nima, Ebagir, and CNN can tell us why they decide to feed the world with a doctored report. But like I said, CNN is not the only international news agency in Nigeria. Like I said here, Damilola Banjo is the BBC Pidgin Service correspondent. She was at the toll gate and she reported that soldiers came, but they did not fire into the crowd, that they fired into the air. So this is why we believe that, you see, CNN will be doing itself a big disservice, and its credibility will be shot if it does not do a thorough investigation of this so-called investigative report, because we have studied. It's very simple. They should take the original tape of the 57 minutes 5 seconds of Godson We that they relied so heavily on, and find out whether that tape had been doctored or not. That's the first place to start with. Second is to ask themselves, can there be a massacre without bodies? Can there be a massacre without blood? And even the so-called DJ Switch, who claimed to be streaming live on the site, and who claimed that she was depositing dead bodies at the foot of soldiers, her video still did not show one single dead body.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.